How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm well. Have you ever done any diving before?
No.
Would you like to give it a try?
Where's the water?
How does that work? Because we're right here in the middle of the desert.
You want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Why not? Come on through here, mate. How's that feel?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Right, the headphones are going on and you're in.
What? Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh, God, what is that? Okay.
There's a boat.
Oh, that's a shark.
Oh.
Oh, that's creepy. Can I, like, swim up?
There's a shark there, Robbie.
Oh, really close.
That is amazing.
I got eaten by a shark up in its mouth.
This is really amazing.
I was there. I was in that
Pretty
water.
amazing, isn't
Yeah,
it?
It was fabulous.
So I'll tell you what you're watching it on. It's called a Samsung Gear VR. And inside it, the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. It's just a phone.
Oh, that's on a phone.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic. I love it.
That's amazing.
It's kind of like yours,
Okay.
but better.
Okay, it's a Samsung.
Yeah, right.